Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a very exciting video. We are going to give away 4 light setup here by Hidden Harvest Company. So 4 lucky winners will receive this light setup from Brad, which is the owner of this company. Brad is an amazing guy. He is really nice and fun to talk to. So if you got a chance, go to his channel. Also visit his Instagram. You can talk to him directly. He's really fun to chat with, and he has some amazing project that he's working on. You guys should see his grow room. They're just full of crazy, awesome stuff. So anyway, there will be 4 winners, and we are going to draw the winners in 2 weeks. All you have to do is like this video and make a comment, because the comment is what I'm gonna use to pick the winner. And also you have to go to Brad's channel and subscribe. I think that's not too much to ask. I'll leave the link to his channel, and when I do the drawing, I'm going to check with Brad to see if you actually subscribe to his channel, and if you didn't, we're gonna pass and go to the next winner. So make sure you do all that. It's very simple. It doesn't take a lot to get this amazing light setup. And to show you how good the light has been for me, here's the thing that I've been doing. I have been growing my crosses under this light setup, because usually a lot of people ask, how do I stabilize my crosses faster? And the way I do that is I grow it indoor in hydroponic, and growing in hydroponic, you can speed up the process very quickly, especially if you grow it in this tiny setup. You can see here, you see that? This is a very small setup. It's just a water bottle, and there's a koozie around it just to block lights from getting through, and I already get fruit right there. So I have all of these flowers here, so those will turn into fruits. And then that one there will have fruit very soon. And also, growing indoor is very fun because you can grow a bunch of little plants, because the 2nd and 3rd generation will produce all kinds of different phenotypes. Like some will be growing down, and some will be growing up, some will have different type of leaves and all that stuff. So the more you grow, the more variations you will see. And this is why I love growing indoors. And that is also the reason why every time I have a cross, they have 2 or 3 different colors. Like my lemon starburst, we have the Starr Kissed, and we have the Scarlet Rose. Because I do this, you gotta grow a bunch of them in order to get your variations, because the recessive traits might show up sometime later. So that's what I've been doing with my crosses and all that good stuff. It's very fun. You can also grow lettuce, you can grow microgreens, but check out Brad's channel to see all the stuff that he's doing. I think he's growing corn and potato and all that stuff. Okay, I forgot to mention one more thing. It is very exciting. On top of the Growlight that Brad is going to send to 4 winners, he's also going to send some seeds along with it. That way you have something to work with immediately. So you get the lights and some seeds to grow. And on top of that, I am going to send 4 winners some lemon starburst seeds. So this is going to be a very exciting giveaway. So guys, make sure you do all the stuff that is required. You must be a subscriber here. You must like the video, leave a comment, and then you go to Brad's channel and subscribe there as well. It's very easy, nothing crazy and difficult. So do all that, and good luck guys. I will do the drawing in 2 weeks, so I will see you then.